Have you ever noticed how sometimes it's the weird stuff that makes the big difference? And sometimes it's just weird. Well, today I'm going to share some weird fitness tips that actually work and might make a big difference for you. Who knows? Weird. Tip 1 is to take your shoes off before you work out. You could just leave them behind that bush. In 2009, a book called Born to Run put a spotlight on barefoot running. And many people who love working out without shoes say it's great. Working out without shoes can help improve blood circulation and strengthen your bones. Just don't drop a weight on your foot. So despite what you may have been told in gym class, that pre-run stretching is cute but not helpful. In fact, according to a recent study, stretching appears to acutely decrease muscle force production capacity. Whew! Which is just a fancy way of saying your legs are weaker. And you can't jump as high. Plus, runners who stretch burn 5% fewer calories. I know. Shh. It's gonna be okay. By the way, if we haven't met before, my name's Steve Stearns and I help men and women over 40 look and feel their best naturally. By making small changes that have a big impact, I help you create a healthy lifestyle you love. So visit me at stevestearns365.com. Alright, back to the video. Did you know you could use your tongue to engage your abs and get their help while lifting weights? It's true. Your tongue also keeps your neck aligned and helps to prevent injuries, another reason we rarely see cows on crutches. All you have to do is push your tongue towards the roof of your mouth during the work part of the exercise. That's it. You got that? Did you get that down? When you're bloated, you really don't feel like doing much of anything, let alone drink water. But believe it or not, it can help. You see, water mixes with soluble fiber and makes it into a gel-like substance. Which affects the motility of the gut and reduces bloating. Stay hydrated because when you're dehydrated, your body holds on to water and you feel bloated. Okay, so those are some weird tips. Hopefully one or two of those will help you out. Who knows? Weird, right? Anyway, if you want more health and wellness tips and tons of fun, come on over and join our community at Pure Health 365 on Facebook. The only thing we're missing is you. So join us. It's stevestearns365.com/community, and you're in, baby. Peace.